Hey everybody, this is Dr. Milligan. I'm having some more questions about the essay, and I just wanted to show you a couple things. I had one question like, when is it due? When is the absolute deadline? If you guys go look on your class plan, your plan might look just a little bit different from mine, but if you click on class plan, you will see where everything is due. So if you look on yesterday's date, you can see where it says the Anne Frank essay is due. And it actually has, you can actually click on that and open that with Microsoft Word. Okay, and you can see the requirements are right there. Okay, so there are the requirements for the essay. Let me close some things here. Okay, so that's how you find that. Now, as far as like when is the absolute deadline, you'll see here it says December the 8th. And we give you due dates to keep you guys on track, because what you don't want to have happen is wait until December and have to turn all this stuff in. Okay, so that is not what you want to do. Okay, so now let's go back, and where do you find information regarding, the graphic organizers? Guys, listen. If you're asking me these questions, it kind of lets me know that maybe you haven't gone through your lessons as carefully as you should have. So, you will find here, okay, lesson 3.10. I clicked on lesson 3. Let me go back just a little bit. Okay, lesson 3.10. This is where we actually give, pretty specific instructions on what you need to do. So again, if you click here, 3.10, digital materials. Let me close that. Okay. Maybe it's not going to open for me. Okay, it's being pushed. Okay, so it opens up in a box like this, and then you can click on that, and you actually can, this is where you can upload. Okay, yours might look a little different because, I'm actually doing, I have editing privileges, so yours might look a little different, okay? But if you go on compare and contrast, here are the details for the assignment, and there is a copy of the rubric. Now, I'll also hand this stuff out in Class Connects. I know I don't have some of you every day, but, I try to give it out as much as I can. And also, go back and look at the class recordings, and you can find everything there as well. Okay, so I had some people asking about graphic organizers. You guys give me a second here. Okay, graphic organizers. If you go look at lesson 3.09 right here, here are your organizers that I need for you to turn in with your assignment. Okay, again, you have to go through the lessons really carefully to find these, but they are there. So when you turn in your essay, I need a draft and I need one of these organizers. Okay. Now, also remember that you are required to use I think 3 vocabulary words, but you'll just have to look and see. You are required to use the verbals, which means that's your participles, that is your infinitive, and your gerunds. And it would really help me if you guys would highlight those or somehow color code those in your document, and that way it'll just be easier for me to see. So I know your next question is going to be, well, where are my vocabulary words? Let's find them. Hold on just a minute. I'll help you find your vocabulary. First of all, your vocabulary words, you guys, are always in like the first lesson. So go back to lesson 3.01. So even notice that if you go to introduction, and if we keep going, let's go down this way. This is lesson 3.01. Okay, lesson 3.01. This is where you can look at your big ideas and objectives if you want to take a look at those. Okay, vocabulary. Here are your vocabulary words. You just click on them, There's your you don't have to complete the graphic organizer for vocab, but these are your vocabulary words. That's where you find them. Now, I know that some of you may have trouble finding, using the verbals, but I'm going to attach a PowerPoint that will help you guys with that as well. Okay, so I hope this helps a little bit. Again, guys, please be very careful to include everything that I've asked for, and please use standard punctuation, spelling, capitalization. Guys, I cannot tell you how many times I have read proper names that were not capitalized. Guys, you're just being careless, so let's don't do that, okay? So I think that's everything I need to tell you about where you find everything. Everything is in your lessons, guys. I don't ever tell you anything that is not in your lesson. So just have to follow directions very carefully. Okay, I appreciate it very much. And there will be no Class Connects on Monday, October 23rd. I am taking a much needed day off. So you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.